So I told you guys when I got to Florida, we actually have a big mission for the week. And well, today we are executing that mission. Give me a thumbs up, Donnie. All right, let's go.
Here we go.
All right, so we got like an hour and a half drive to Tampa. We got Adam's rig, so it's a nice drive. So shout out to Adam for letting us borrow this. It's quite a comfy couch, huh, Donald?
It's very nice.
A lot of torque too. So when we show up, it's gonna be very apparent about what's about to happen. If you guys didn't already tell from the thumbnail, but I don't know, I'm hyped. Let's see what happens.
Fingers crossed.
Should be somewhere in here. Fit the truck and trailer through here. Somewhere over here.
Keep your eyes peeled. What's up?
He's on the road.
There he is.
He's on the road.
Down there.
I don't know why you picked this spot, but dude, it's right there.
Damn, that thing looks good, James.
Are you Billy?
No.
You're not Billy?
Not Billy. Why?
You got my car.
Sorry about that.
It's not Billy.
That guy looks like sketched out. He's like, who the fuck is...
That's not it. That's it. That just worked out really well.
Got him. Look at these trees. These things are sick. I don't see a car anywhere, James.
Can we just take a second to understand how massive this whole setup is? Look at this thing.
How
it's like
gangster.
Yeah, I know. It's such a gangster setup. One day, baby. One day. When I stop buying shitty project cars. I can hear it. I know that exhaust note anywhere. Yeah. I can just feel it. Do you see it coming through? Wait. There it is.
Oh.
Ooh. Ooh.
Some pops.
Ooh! Oh my god.
That bitch looks good.
Oh my god. We gotta play it cool though. We can't let them know that we know it's nice. That thing looks a lot rougher in person.
What'd you do, James? What'd you do?
I can't believe I just bought this. I just bought a 1997 240SX S14 Kooky. Holy fuck. Do you see this color, dude?
This color goes.
Dude, it's like a very soft Millennium Jade almost. And it's the original color. Yes, I just bought another car, which is crazy because everything in my shop needs paint, right? Everyone's yelling at me. Finish a coupe. I know. I'm waiting on.
You have an excuse for this one.
So this car isn't supposed to be an addition. This car is actually going to be a replacement. So that might sound a little crazy right now. You guys are probably going nuts, but this car is to replace a current project, and we'll talk about that later on. But for now, we are here to grab the car, talk about it a little bit, and we'll save the plans for when we get back home so we can really dive into it. But for now, we'll just give a quick walk around and check this thing out because I'm so ecstatic right now. Of course, it's original Kooky since it's 97, or Kauki, whatever you want to pronounce it, right? I think it's technically Kauki, but like it sounds better. Kooky. It's a 5-lug, right? Which is really nice. And one of the best parts is it actually is a slick top because S14 sunroofs look really stupid because they don't look right. Like
all sunroofs look stupid.
I like sunroofs on some cars, but yeah, no disrespect on an S14 with a sunroof, but the sunroof just doesn't look right on these things. It doesn't look OEM, and so the slick top just does so much for the body. It's not perfect, right? It's an old car, but for what it is, it's a real Florida car, as we hear in the Northeast, which means there's not a lick of rust on this entire thing, which is huge because everything I own started off as a rusty piece of crap, except my Z's, those are pretty clean, but check it out. As you guys can tell, I'm just pumped, and we got a lot to talk about, we got a lot to show. Let's get this home. We'll have a little Mike Divine magic, show off the car a little bit more, but for now, just, it's a freaking S14 Kooky, Donnie. What the hell?
We can be S14 buddies now.
Oh, dude.
Hell yeah.
I got one of each now. I got one of
Right.
each. That's it. Dreams come true,
That
dude.
is sick. That is
I'm gonna like
so
cry of
dope.
happiness. What the fuck?
It is fucking dope.
Look at this color, dude. I'm so happy. It's not black. It's not red.
I don't need it. Should we show them the bonnet?
Should we show them the engine?
Yeah.
Yeah, pop the hood.
Interior is beautiful.
Oh. Okay. All right.
Wait.
You guys know I love these things. Good old-fashioned KA. All right, so this time we didn't get any really goodies with this one. It's kind of slammed on its ass right now, as you guys can see. It's like stanced out. Luckily, like, it has really stiff springs on it, so the fenders like aren't even rolled, which is really nice. It doesn't really show any effects from being stanced. It's not scraped up underneath. It's freshly stanced out. We're gonna undo that, give it a more functional stance, but for now, just enjoy it for what it is. We have an untouched-ish Kooky, and man, this thing's beautiful.
Nice job, James.
All right, well, let's load this thing up, and then we'll let Mike Devine do the magic and make this thing look all pretty on camera.
The hunt is over.
The hunt is finally over, dude. I've been going insane trying to find one of these things. It is crazy how, I don't want to scare anyone, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to make these things jack up in price anymore, but
good luck finding one.
But good luck finding one, and oh my God, I cannot believe I found like an untouched Kooky. I've put in work, and now we got one in the trailer. We're actually loading up. I couldn't find a place that was more open than this.
Oh, y'all just loading it up?
Yeah, we had to pick it up from the condo right there, and I couldn't fit in the parking lot, so we came over here.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Later, Billy.
Bye, Billy. Everyone's
How are you?
What's up, man?
How are you?
Are you stealing, man?
Who?
You're stealing?
Stealing?
You're stealing.
Stealing. No
stealing
steals.
again,
No
Johnny.
stealing.
You got handcuffs? Cuff this man.
Cuff me.
Cuff him.
Apartments, huh?
Oh, Donnie, he's got you.
You got me. You almost caught me there.
What was that?
Why do we keep getting approached by security?
I think we're stealing. Let's get back, sit in traffic for the next 2 hours, and see what the boys think.
A 240. I know that rumble when I hear it.
That's what I said when I was like, I know that noise.
Yeah. Damn, dude.
What do you think?
That's sick. It sounds different than most SRs I've heard.
Okay.
It's pretty.
It's pretty at night, isn't it?
Yeah. They look so low. It's crazy because like in my mind, an S14 is such a big car, but the trunks on them are like not even to waist level.
This one is pretty low in the rear.
It's pretty.
It looks a lot more, it looks very gold and silvery at night, but it looks extremely green in the sunlight.
Can you put a cookie wing on it?
I want it, but I can't find one.
Really?
They're so hard to get. If anyone has a kooky wing and an OEM one,
God, this car looks so fire with a cookie wing.
right? It's just a must.
I've been looking at
No.
maps for nothing cookie.
That's why I said I was like kooky or kooky, whatever.
Just make up your own way, call it cocky.
Cocky.
I got a S14 cocky. Yeah.
But here it is. Yes. Me and DJ were just talking about how much it. Like the wingless is always the look, but the kooky wing is just so timeless, and I love it. So if anyone has an OEM one, please hit me up. I know they're really expensive. Try to not send me a bunch of eBay ads of really expensive ones because I won't buy it.
You need some Spanish winners too.
What?
Do you know the words winners in Spanish?
No.
Ganador.
Is it really?
Yep.
That's a new fact for me, buddy.
Pretty cool, isn't it? I'm pumped for you.
Thank you.
So is the SR built? Is it stock?
Okay. I get it.
What do you get?
You know it's a KA, Adam. Stop rubbing it in, all right?
You're telling me you paid that much for a car with a KA?
Dude, I don't want to talk about
You make me
it.
so uncomfortable. You put the camera so close to my face.
Yeah, because you're gonna whisper some shit talk and I gotta catch it. Okay, get away from it. All right, well, it's here. I'm happy I didn't get damaged going in the trailer, but I officially own a cocky S14.
Yeah, there you go. Cocky.
This is awesome.
You gotta hawk a lot of cocky.
Spit it out. All right, guys, so there it is. I officially own an S14 and a kooky. I'm not sleeping on the Zankies. I freaking love Zankies, but this thing is beautiful. And like I said before, I went nuts trying to find a clean S14, and one popped up, and like I said before, if you caught it, this isn't an addition technically. I would say this is a replacement, and we'll talk about it later on, but for now, be happy for me because I'm really, really excited. I put a lot of work in to get this thing, as you could tell, and we're still not even home with it yet. So I think you guys will be really excited about it, and I'm actually using this This is actually going to be taking work off my plate and not adding more work to it, as some of you might disagree. But huge shout out to Mike for throwing together that little edit for us. I know he probably killed it because everything he does is beautiful. But we're gonna go home. We got a lot to edit. Got to get this car situated. We'll talk more tomorrow, and well, we'll see you guys then. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and see you next time.